Stop guessing about what makes an ad actually go viral. I found an AI tool that doesn't just make ads, it actually reverse engineers the best performing videos on the internet and actually clones their success for your product instantly. All right, folks, so what we're going to be checking out first is essentially the viral cheat code, the ad clone. So it's really simple. I'm over here on TikTok. I've found a little advert you can say for a handbag, okay? Very popular in terms of the views here, okay? We've got 38,000 plus likes on this one. So clearly this is getting a lot of attention. There's a reason why this is very successful. And all you simply have to do, we're basically going to take this link. We are logged into our Creatify right now, and we are going to take what's good about that ad and we can then go and apply it to our own ad. All right, folks, so what we're simply going to go and do, we're going to go and actually copy this link here from the TikTok. We're going to go straight to our login here, and we are going to go new product. All right, import from URL. We're going to paste in here, okay, and we're going to analyze the URL. All right, so as we can see here, we have taken that and it has actually broken down the ad, given us the basic info, broken down the product name, the category, the product description, as well as the selling points, all right, the USPs, as well as the image assets, which it does actually bring up here. All right, so now let's go and head on over to AI video ads. We can turn any product into winning video ads right here. So let's click on that here. All right, so as an example, we're going to use the same product link to see what it can spit out. So we've got that same TikTok one right here. We can paste that right in there. We can analyze the URL and go ahead and turn that into an ad there, okay? All right, so we've got our images in place, okay? Got our 3 images in place that you need to have there. Got all our product description, hashtags, everything like that. All right, and then we can just go ahead and hit next and see what it comes up with. It's gathering the info, okay? We can go ahead and choose the aspect ratio. We'll leave that at 9:16 for a TikTok, but if you're doing like a YouTube or something, landscape, you can do that as well, okay? Duration, you can do 15, 30, or 60 seconds. We'll chuck it on for a 15-second, keep it nice and concise. Really love how you can actually change the language there, okay? So you've got a large selection of different languages that you can use. I'm going to keep it on English for now, all right? And for the target audience, okay, we're going to keep it simple. We're going to go with fashion-conscious women. That's who we're going to target. So of course, guys, you know, you're making your own like little video or whatever of your particular product, then you would just put that in here, okay? Of course, I am just giving you the example of this trending advert here that this lady has done. She's probably some kind of influencer or something like that. So yeah, we're going to let this do its thing, and it's actually generating pretty fast, okay? Already almost at 70%. And I like it how it tells you how long it's going to take, okay? It says it may take around 45 seconds, but actually this has probably taken 30 seconds or less. All right, so you got to choose or create your script then, okay? So choose script from AI, or you can use your own script as well, okay? So you've got the options there. So I'm going to do ranking reveal, okay? We'll go with that one. You can do investment strategy, complement magnets, versatility guide. We're going to go with ranking reveal, okay? In terms of ranking the top 5 luxury bags, that's going to be a good little one to go for there, okay? You can go ahead and select your avatar, all right? So, all right, let's select this lady here, for example, all right? And maybe this lady here, okay? So you can select a couple of avatars there. And this is great. You've got 1,500 plus on the avatar library, okay? You've got my avatars. You can actually save your avatars as well, which is cool. We're going to go for realistic type, all right? We're going to keep it female because, you know, females do typically have handbags, okay? We'll say young adult to maybe, you know, get to that 20 to 30 age group audience, okay? And the industry, we're going to go with beauty and personal care. Actually, we'll go apparel and accessories. So I like how they've got all the niche industries there as well, okay? In terms of the scene, let's make it like coffee shop style, okay? I think that's pretty cool. We'll go coffee shop style theme there. Accessories, we're going to go, yeah, bag for the accessories. Skin tone, we'll make it maybe that skin tone there. Shooting style is going to be selfie, okay? And then let's go ahead and hit next. Okay, so now the AI is generating storyboard for us now. And this step here is saying it's going to take about 1 to 2 minutes. All right, so this has been generated now, folks. I also want to say, you know, you can also, we did use our example by pulling this link just straight from TikTok today, but you can also use Amazon, okay? So if you've got your Amazon link, for example, for these particular bags, you can actually go ahead and use Amazon, your Amazon link, okay? So you've already got that ad up, for example. So it's pretty cool. And the same thing goes for Shopify as well, okay? You've already got your product on Shopify. You can go ahead and use that as well. Alrighty, folks, so what you basically have to do after this is pick one that you want to render, okay? So for example, if we want to take, say, this one here, okay? We want to render that.
I ranked my top 5 luxury bags from Portugal to Chanel, and you won't believe which one I reach for every single... Spoiler alert, it's not the most expensive one. From my trusty Dior saddle bag to that...
Okay, so that one's more, it gives you like the captions and the voice as well, okay, which is pretty good. So we can check out another one as well. Let's just say maybe we'll go for this one here.
I ranked my top 5 luxury bags from Portugal to Chanel.
Okay, so she's like talking over the top there as well. So again, guys, these are just examples.
I ranked my top 5 luxury bags from Portugal to Chanel, and you won't believe which one...
All right, so it's just another example as well, okay? So... And also, guys, important note as well, accurate lip sync will be available after rendering, okay? So just take your time, all right, with that. So for example, I'm going to show you right now.
You won't believe which one I read.
I'm going to go ahead and hit render.
Spoiler,
this one.
Not the most expensive.
Let's go with the standard
Trusty Dior saddle.
Aurora model.
Iconic YSL envelope. Each serves a purpose.
Elevate
every outfit effortlessly.
All right, so now that one's rendering, okay? That's important, so I don't want you guys to trip up on the lip syncing, okay? So we'll see how good the lip syncing is here. So this is, guys, what you got to realize is a lot of work being done here, okay? You pay someone to do this for you. It's going to cost probably thousands of dollars. Going to take weeks maybe to get it done if they've got a big queue. There's no need, okay? Come over to Creatify and get it done for cheap, efficiently, guys, all right? All the links will be at the top of the video description and in the pinned comments. So let's let this one render, and then we'll get back to you when it's done. Should take about 60 seconds. And just while we're waiting for that to render, I also want to say, folks, you can actually easily change AI avatars. So say, for example, yeah, you just want to change off this Asian woman and this maybe Latino, I'm not too sure. Okay, you can change to, like, if you want to go with a blonde, okay, you can go with, I don't know, more Caucasian, brown hair, that kind of thing, okay? Maybe more Indian, Asian style, all right, just straight up conventional blonde there. Darker skin tones, okay? You can change between avatars very, very easily while still keeping that same or similar composition, which I really love. So yeah, basically it means you don't have to wait weeks on one creator to like mix things up for you because they're probably going to be really busy. You've already got a massive access to a huge library of avatars already. And yeah, just switch the actors, to match the demographic instantly. It's high quality UGC and it's 100% generated to perfection. What's also super cool is you can actually translate all of these ads into many different languages as well. And as I did mention, it is an absolute fraction of the cost versus hiring an actual real creator these days, for better or worse. All right, so we're back over, and as we can see, this one here has been rendered. Let's have a look.
My top 5 luxury bags from Portugal to Chanel, and you won't believe which one I reach for every single day. Spoiler alert, it's not the most expensive one. From my trusty Dior saddle bag to that iconic YSL envelope, each serves a purpose and elevates every outfit effortlessly.
Pretty impressive. I don't think I've ever seen a better lip sync generation that's just been picked up so easily like that. But hey, I'll let you guys be the judge. I mean, it speaks for itself. You can go ahead and download it there. What do you guys think? Okay, you can share it, edit it a bit more if you want to go a bit more manual on it. But for real, folks, let me know in the comments section, what do you think about it? Because I reckon that lip sync is pretty bang on. I mean, that's pretty bang on. I don't know what you guys reckon, but yeah, like it if you appreciate it, because I reckon that's pretty wicked. On top of this, what's really great is that you've got a scale and batch mode as well if you want to do a lot more generations a lot more efficiently and effectively. So this will basically generate dozens of generations at once. This prevents ad fatigue and allows you to find those winning ads faster. Stop filming and start cloning for success today, folks. Click the link in my bio to try Creatify's ad clone feature for free. And then I'm telling you, you're probably going to want to sign up. If you did enjoy today's video and you like these AI-based reviews, do feel free to hit that like button, subscribe, hit notifications, and don't forget to comment if you have tried out Creatify yet and when you do. Hope you have a good day, and we'll see you in the next video.